What's up, y'all? We're down here on the river today, and we got some carp, cut up carp that were sitting in the water for a minute because it's still frozen. And we got some shad that I've had in the freezer for about 3 weeks. We also brought some range cubes to throw out, maybe catch a catfish or a buffalo or another carp. So we're gonna get baited up, get some lines in the water, and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna go ahead and throw a range cube out while we let our carp defrost. See if our carp is defrosted yet. Alright, y'all, got a big old chunk of carp going out. Another big chunk of carp going out. Okay. We got something on this one over here, y'all. It's taking off, I didn't even know it. It's a big old bait we got on there too. Something's chewing on it. We got mullet out there jumping. Just hope you don't get us wrapped around anything. There's a lot of snags out here. Nothing. We'll throw it back. Something's got this one. Oh, yellow. Got both of them are about to start going off. This is a chunk of carp. I think he dropped it. Ooh. So I'm gonna just pick this piece of carp up, y'all. Yeah, I think it dropped it. Yeah, he's running. Taking a lot of line out, dang. Holy crap. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set the hook on this. Nothing on here. What the heck? We've done broke 2 rigs off already. Just gonna put on a smaller profile bait. I don't know which one of these has a fish on, but we got a run on both of them. I think they're actually tangled up together. Unfortunately. Oh, he's still on there. Thought I dropped it. He's still on there though, y'all. Holy crap. Whoa. Oh, I hear him out there splashing, y'all. I need to go and set this hook. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. He just spit it out. Dang. And now I'm hung up. Dang. That was a big fish, too. Y'all heard it splashing out there. And that's a bummer, man. I think this is a turtle, y'all. I'm just gonna go and set the hook. Oh, we got something on. Oh, we got something. Oh, that ain't no turtle, I don't think. It's just dead weight now, so it might be a big old turtle. I think it is. Oh no, we got a little gar on. Whoa, he just ain't woke up yet. And he is mean too. God, dog, he's mean. Yeah. He is mean, y'all. See if we can't get him over here. All right, hold on. God dang, these bugs, man.
Alligators.
Got him. All right, y'all. Here's the gar we just landed. After losing about 4 or 5 rigs, this one finally took, and almost got hung up in my other line. Hear it? Hear it? He really didn't fight till we got him up close to the bank. Then he came unwound. We're gonna go and let him go, y'all. There he goes. We just caught a little baby crawdad. Look at that. You gonna let him go?
You can pet him.
Or we did. He dropped it. Oh, we're hooked up to something. I feel a head shake. Oh, yeah, we got something hooked up, y'all. Not very big, whatever it is. That's another little gar. Yeah. About the same size as the last one. Not a bad fish. Whoa! Oh, he just ran right into them rocks. He is mean, man. Dang, that's a mean fish, y'all. He just tore his nose up and he's bleeding. He tore his nose up. He ran slapping into that rock. Oh, he's gonna do it again, look. Bro, he has tore his nose up, man. He is mad. He might be a little bigger than that last one, though. Man, he tore his nose all up, y'all. Dang. He's gonna do it again. Yeah, he's trying to go for those rocks.
His teeth look messed up.
Yeah, that's his nose. He skinned his nose up. Whoa.
He almost done it.
It's a good fish. I think he's a little bigger than the last one. I don't know.
Poor boy.
See his nose?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, he's a little longer than the other one. We might get length on him.
His nose is open.
Maybe a 5-footer. Okay, let's get this thing lassoed real quick. Here, grab hold of that. Whoa! God! Look at his nose, y'all. He really hurt himself. Dang, buddy. Oh, don't you get me, man. All right, y'all. This is the second fish. He might be a little bit longer than that last one. He gave up about the same fight as the other one. These are tough fish, man. He kept trying to run into them rocks, and he nosedive into one of them and kind of skint his nose up, but we're gonna go ahead and let her go. Yeah, she's ready.
I don't want him here anymore.
All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for us. 2 fish, 1 night. Pretty good fish too. The first one, he gave up a real good fight, and a second one, as y'all could see, gave up a good fight too. Anyway, we're about to pack everything up, go to Whataburger, so we're hungry. If y'all like the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe so you can be notified each time we upload. See y'all on the next one.